Hi guys, in front of me is OPPO Find N2 Flip, and let me show you how to activate developer options on this device. At first, open the settings, then find and select About Device, scroll a bit lower and click on Version. Here you will notice build number, tap on it 7 times, then draw your unlock pattern if you have one, and as you can see, you've just unlocked developer mode. Let's go back. And now tap on additional settings where developer options appeared. Click to open. So now you can smoothly use everything here. For example, if you wish to activate automatic system update, just click on the switcher and that's it. So actually using developer panel is pretty simple. Just use the toggles to activate some particular feature that you want to use. And then when you wish to hide it again, all you have to do is to unmark the stop switcher. So from now on, they are no longer accessible. And to use them, you will have to perform the same trick again. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.